Most of my clients always come to me asking for more volume. The GHD Rise is great because it's going to amp it up and give them 2 times more volume.
So for me, I need every tool for every occasion. And what is so good about Rise, number one is volume. It gives you the most incredible volume.
The GHD Rise also features the Ultrazone technology, meaning as we're creating these amazing styles, they're going to last longer and we're going to be able to go through larger sections.
So by using Rise to create a new shape, basically retains the texture that you want to keep, smooths down what you don't want to keep, and then gives you that kind of airy, big, voluptuous feeling.
For me personally, the bristle is absolutely perfect because it just really beautifully moves through the hair, but it has control, and that is important.
So it's 5mm bristles, so I feel like that just helps to kind of get really close to the root.
I've said if you can use a hairbrush, you can use a Rise, and whereas some consumers find it difficult to use other tools, I haven't seen one single client that has found it difficult to use a Rise.
It's a complete game changer to take textured hair to a false blow dry finish, especially using the hot brush.
For me, GHD Rise is the perfect touch-up tool just to add volume, add width and add movement to any style I've already created.